Check out this van, guys. 2002 Chevy Express 1500. This guy does a lot of motorcycle stunts. So we're gonna tag his Instagram for you guys. And we'll show you what's hiding inside the van. Hopefully he still has it in there. He brought it last week and we were talking about ideas. And he just got it done today. So let me show you guys what we've done on it. Factory converter, factory converter. Wise into a single. Then we put a 3-inch in, 3-inch out FLOWMASTER FX. Right there, part number 71419. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 3-inch pipe continues. And we put a FLOWMASTER double wall tip out the back, black, to finish it off cleanly and nice because he's gonna wrap the rest of it black. So there it is. Let me show you guys the back, how it looks. That's what it looks like out the back. Clean, nice, nothing crazy. Just want a little bit of tone when he's traveling the country. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh yeah, that's clean, bro. Oh yeah, that's it. Do that again. That's it. And if you guys want to follow him, that's the name of his Instagram. So make sure you guys follow him. It's clean. You guys killed that. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Perfect. He's happy. Look at his smile. Look.
They killed it. Killed it.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, that sounds so good. And this, guys, this is the motorcycle. Look, this is how he hauls it around. It's really smart idea. Keeps it out of the weather. And just looks really freaking cool. Custom mount, custom everything. I love it. And you go to his Instagram, you guys will see some of his tricks. He does a lot of tricks. He's really good at it. It's really cool. It's awesome. We appreciate him coming down. Ah, it sounds so good. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Go, guys. Chevy Express. Remember to follow him on Instagram, guys, for us, and comment Exhaust Addict sent you. He does a lot of crazy stunts. He's been doing it over 10 years. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. I love it.